Alright boys, so today we're getting rid of the OEM diffuser, go with a high gloss black aftermarket diffuser. Oh, we gonna change the look of this car. Let's go. Alright boys, so listen, we got this one from Amazon. What's about it? See how good it is, but my hopes are high. You know what I'm saying? We're using the ghetto key to open the box. But, it's a gloss black diffuser. And I can't figure my key out, but if you get it, you know, just open it. Still in the plastic, boys. So, you know, for $100 you're getting something. Get it out. What you guys think? I like it compared to this.
What?
It's gonna make a big difference. Let's try to box it out. Hey, how you think that's gonna look?
It's gonna look good.
Right.
Nice little accent.
Something little, right?
Yep.
Alright guys, since we already got it out the box, it's looking pretty good. We mocked it up. Let's get the open off and try to get this one on, because I just want to see the way it's gonna change the look of the car. Let's get to it. Alright guys, there's 7 bolts that are T15 or supposed to be T15, but if you're an owner of a car like mine that's a little bit clapped out, you're gonna find a lot of different things down here. But it's 7 bolts just to take the old diffuser off. And power tools are recommended. You would not be struggling the way I am now. But there's 3 in the middle and then 2 on each side. We might need a trim tool. A trim tool. Take this shit off. Fuck it. Fuck that shit. More. Okay, that was whack. Very professional. Just like that. I like the way that looks, honestly. What do you think? Now, how are we gonna put it on? We'll figure it out, but I think it looks pretty good. What do you think, eh?
Yeah, it looks really good. It's gonna need some bending.
No, definitely.
No, this way.
I mean, bro, I'll be honest, it could have been worse on Fitment. For $100?
Yeah, no, I could have.
Like, it could have been way worse. Like, I think the holes actually line up, which is impressive. They usually don't. Mama dudes.
Corn raspberry with my Tito's.
Oh.
Staying over, right?
Yeah, I'm staying over.
We got Tito's, Papa.
Okay. Can't find the hole.
It's pretty normal for you.
I know. You know, I'm rocking. Same thing my exhaust rocks. 3 inches. I am not
3 inches to 2.5.
to 2.5. Depending on the day. It's kind of cold outside sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Alright, did we get both on that side by any chance?
Yeah. Oh no, we're missing one here.
But
this one won't line up. That's the one I told you that won't line up.
Stop the cap.
Yeah, look.
That's probably because of the accident though. So then I'm gonna put this one on this side.
Hold on. Yeah, look, it won't line up.
Okay, fuck it. Then leave that one. But everything else lines up. There's one here. I guess it's because of the accident.
Could be.
Move things around a little bit.
Yeah.
That sucks.
You want some patelitas?
Yeah, papi.
Patelitas.
I want patelitas.
I want patelitas too.
I want patelitas with cheese.
Okay.
Master mechanic right here.
Yo, you cracking shit, yo.
I'm gonna break this shit.
Yo, chill. That's $100.
Ese diffuser ese BMW está heavy, papi, ¿oíste?
Listen, it's cheap.
Espérate, pero eso no es carbon fiber. Espérate.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
What would you rate that on Fitment?
I feel like it was pretty good. Like, I feel like the clips, like, lined up really well. The only thing is, like, 2 bolts on the bottom, like, aren't gonna line up as well. It's kind of like a tighter fit. Like, I feel like it's better that it's a tighter fit than a
loose fit?
Loose fit, like, where they don't line up at all.
But I also think, you know, it could be because it came straight, you know what I'm saying? And it needed a little bit of bending. Hopefully over time it just contours, form to the car. Yeah. But I think it's a nice, decent look. It's nothing crazy, you know? Yeah. If you were wondering if we're selling this, show them how we recycle. All right, yep. Okay. And, yeah, drop that hoe. Oh, okay. Yeah, we need to flatten it so we can put it right back in the box and send it back. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Okay.
Cool. Turn it on and speed off.
Okay. Through the door?
Yep.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, not that bad. For $100, you know, you got some wacky Fitment, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? But for $100, and if you have no accident, it's pretty good. You know what I'm saying? You're clinically insane. Huh?
You're clinically insane.
Why?
You rubbed that shit in your house? In your garage?